talent from all around coming to Donabate to play and perform, so it's brilliant, it's brilliant. Our next act is a local Donabate native. He's played loads of shows with us. He's a great keyboard player, pianist, and he writes his own melodic instrumental type of music, and you're really going to enjoy it. It's real mellow. So it's nice. It's a nice Sunday night mellow vibe. So give it up for Diarmuid McGillarua.
I compose my own music. I have 3 brand new pieces that I've never played before. 2 of them are literally from the last few weeks, and one's from last month. So the first piece was inspired when on a group I'm on in Swords, 2 members announced that they were getting engaged. And I was just looking at the spontaneous outpouring of joy from all the members of the group at this news. The couple, Aoife Godwin and Tom Smith. So I was so impressed with this that I literally made this piece of music up there and then that evening. So I've called it Ballad Player the Posa, the blessing of God on your wedding. And I dedicated it to Aoife and Tom. Hope you enjoy it. It's the first time I've ever played it.
Woo-hoo!
Yes.